In this video, we'll be showing you how to mix skin tone colors for painting portraits with acrylic. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Painting portraits can be intimidating because there are so many details to consider, but as artists, we strive to make a portrait resemble the person it's modeled after. Creating skin tone colors is one of the most important details to consider when making portraits, and today we're going to teach you some foundational skills to help you with this task. When mixing skin tone colors, it's essential to create at least 3 shades for each person. Make at least a highlight, a middle tone, and a low light, or shadow. Depending on the person you're painting, you may want to create even more shades of color, but 3 shades are an excellent place to start. In this video, we'll be considering 3 different individuals and their skin tones when creating 3 shades for each. Let's get started. First, we'll consider the lady on the left who has lighter, fair-complected skin. We'll be going for these 3 shades, a highlight, a middle tone, and a low light. To create the base tone, start with white, then add a minimal amount of burnt sienna and a touch of red. This may appear pretty red, so let's add a bit of dark brown and white again. Make sure to mix the colors well so they're thoroughly blended. Scoop up a bit of this base mix and then add some dark brown to create the low light. Work again and scoop up some of this base mix and add it to some yellow and some white to create the midtone. Don't panic if your color doesn't come out right the first time. It may take a few additions of white or another color to get the correct shade. Ensure you're mixing the color well so you know that they're thoroughly blended. When you find the midtone, take a bit of it and add some more white to create the highlight color. Next, let's consider this gentleman. We'll be attempting to create these 3 shades for his skin tone. Start with white and add a touch of yellow and burnt sienna brown. Blend these colors nicely and add some more white if needed. If your mix turns out too yellow, try to mellow it out with a dash of brown and a dash of red. Once you have your base tone, add a bit of dark brown to create the low light or shadow color. Use a clean brush and mix some white with the base tone to create the highlight. It may take a few additions of white fully blended to get the correct shade. Finally, let's consider this fellow. We can create his skin tone by following the previous method for the former gentleman, but the low light color will differ. Rewind if you want a refresher. Add a dash of brown and black to the base tone you created to make the low light for his skin tone. As always, when blending these colors, ensure you're mixing them entirely so they're fully incorporated. And there you have it. We've considered 3 different individuals and their skin tones and created 3 shades for each. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful acrylic painting content, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. To start your acrylic painting journey, visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides. See you next time.